I have created a custom simple glitch shader that I'd like to share with you. This video is not a tutorial, but rather an opportunity for me to give you this shader that I've recently made in Unity. I have commented on most parts of the shader so that you can easily understand how it works. Simply create a new material and attach this shader to it to see it in action. I have included some textures to show you what the glitch effect looks like. You can adjust the speed and amount to change the intensity of the effect on your texture. I will put the shader link in the description below. Thank you for watching.